Good morning! Well, we wanted to make some pancakes this morning, but we're out of our mix, so thought we'd take the opportunity to show you guys how to make it. I want to hear from my biggest fan.
He's talking now. And you seriously saw. All we did was make the mix and add water. And these are better than 100% of the store-bought.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell. Now let's make some pancakes. That's right. We're making our just add water pancake mix. Now I know there's a lot you can buy and all that stuff, but we find making our own, one, we know what's in it, two, it tastes a lot better. And all you need to do is just add water. That's it. It's plain and simple. 1 cup of mix to 3/4 cups of water.
And it's actually just add water.
Yeah.
It's not like those other people.
Yeah, because, you know, a lot of those just add water. They'll say, well, you want to make it really good, add vanilla, add an egg, add this. But
Yeah.
we kind of already do that because we have an egg replacer. If you can find dried egg, you can use that. But this egg replacer works pretty good.
Yeah, our mix is already delicious.
Yes, and that's all we need. So, the first thing is first, you get a measuring cup. And we're going to put 4.5 cups of flour. This may take a minute. Remember to level it off. And this is going to take a second. So, just hang on. All right, that's our flour. And now, we love this mix because you can add just add water. It's because when you wake up in the morning, sometimes you don't want to go through all the big hoopla of making a big breakfast. You'd rather just mix, turn your griddle on, make some pancakes, everybody's happy.
That's right.
So,
When I wake up, I don't want to do too much.
no, that's obvious. And then to this, and like I said, we are going to use this powdered milk. This is the non-fat dry milk. If you can find the whole milk dried, that's a tongue twister, use that. I mean, but this is just fine, especially if you're a little health conscious. So we're going to add some of this into it. And this basically replaces, you know, your milk and everything. And so that you can keep, keep it shelf stable. There we go.
And if you notice, he's actually using true measurements.
Yeah, and it's not just thrown together because, again, it's a cake. It's going to fluff up. So it's, you know, baking is a science.
It's literally a science.
Okay. So that's, I'm going to have to use, I should have just brought all my cups. So, 1/3 of a good cane sugar because, you know, want it to be sweet. And we got our baking soda. Yes, I'm double checking the recipe. There's nothing wrong with that. Ooh. And I forgot my leveler. And when you take measurements for baking, that's why I have this little knife and I'm leveling because you want it to be as exact as possible or it may not work correctly.
That's right.
And so we got our baking powder. Now remember, always make sure your baking powder has not expired because it will expire and then it won't do its job.
Yeah, it's true. It's one of those ingredients that you do actually have to use consistently.
No.
Or you throw it away.
1.25 teaspoons of salt. Yes, you do need a little salt. And like I said, as a lot of times, these powders and mixes will say if you want it better, just add this and this. That's why we're going to go ahead and add it, but in a shelf-stable way. We're going to take our egg replacer, and we're just going to need a 1/4 cup of this. If you can find powdered eggs, you can use that. But we found this replacer is a great substitute, and it's a lot easier to find. And then we got our powdered vanilla. And now it's personal preference. I like a teaspoon of it. If you like a little more vanilla, you could add a little more vanilla. What's cool about this powder, this is a 1-to-1 ratio to liquid.
Mm-hmm. And it puts a decent amount of flavor.
Oh, it does. If you just open here, I mean, it smells like,
yeah,
you can smell the vanilla. Very strong. It's a cool product. I like it.
Mm-hmm.
All right, we got that. Oh, and one thing that sometimes I don't always do, but since I do love nutmeg, this is optional. I like to give just a little bit. Now, also, I could say that if you like buttermilk pancakes, you can do this exact same recipe, except instead of the powdered milk, you can replace it with the powdered buttermilk.
Yep.
Which they have, but I like this, and see, that's as simple as it is. Then you're just gonna take, and you want to stir this around, get it all good and mixed up, and that's it. All right, well, see, that's how simple that was. Now, on to making the pancakes. Normally, like I said, because it's shelf stable, as you see, this is our pancake jar. We'll fill this up later, but right now we're gonna make some pancakes pretty quick.
Woohoo! I'm excited.
It's easy. And like I said, it's 1 cup per 3/4 of water. We're gonna do 2 cups because you get about 4 pancakes, 4 to 5 per cup.
Cool.
Depending on the size.
That's actually a pretty decent measurement because, you know, when you're making pancakes, you usually make them in 4 increments. So.
Yeah. And like I said, 1.5 cups of water to this mix. And just stir it up. And remember, you don't want to over whip, but you just want to kind of get it where most of the lumps are out. And all that powder is incorporated with the liquid. And there we go. That should be it. Put this aside. Now we got our griddle going. And that's it. If you already had this powder made, that's how simple it is. You just mix your little water, get your griddle hot, or skillet. Whew, it is nice and hot. And I'm using about a 2-ounce ladle. And there we go. And now you're gonna cook it about 1.5 to 2 minutes per side. And that's all you go. Then you have breakfast. And I'll let those guys cook and we'll be right back. Well, we got our batches of pancakes going, coming out beautifully. We're gonna fill our jar back up and put it on the shelf. Now this you can keep for, well, trust me, once you taste these pancakes, it won't last long. But it will stay for about a month, easily. But it won't last that long because you'll be like, this is the easiest breakfast ever.
Yeah, and don't forget, you can always add like blueberries, chocolate chips. You can add stuff to this.
That's in fact, I did buy chocolate chips, but I forgot. Oops.
It happens.
And we did make some with that really cool blueberry. Oh, we made a blueberry syrup.
Yeah, our blueberry syrup.
That was really good. Well, this pancake mix is awesome. I love it. And see, just take it, jar it up. We're obviously making a lot of pancakes. Didn't fill it much again. But I guess I'll make more later. I love these big mouth funnels for jars.
Me too. They are very convenient.
There we go. Those are beautiful. Well, are you ready for a try?
Oh. I did not realize it was already taste test time.
Yeah, it is. I mean, we can make pancakes. That's the beauty of it.
Shoot. Well, I am coming. Got me a plate too.
All right.
Woohoo!
There, and you can have the little baby. Good. And we got some good maple syrup.
Oh yeah.
Now, of course, you could do some little whipped cream, some berries.
Yeah. You can make the blueberry syrup.
Yes.
Man, we made that what in October
Yeah, that was good.
for our Halloween special.
Out at our little Halloween camp out.
Yeah, that was fun.
I like these pancakes.
Me too.
They're already delicious.
As good as always. I mean,
It's a no fail.
and you seriously saw. All we did was make the mix and add water. And
That's
these
it.
are better than 100% of the store-bought.
And that's what's so awesome, because if you go anywhere, this is easy. It's keeping your pantry, your cupboard.
Yep.
You want a quick, fast breakfast? You saw it. It's literally maybe a couple minutes. Don't want our other pancakes. I'm building a short stack.
You call that a short stack?
Yeah.
Man.
Well, you enjoy yours. I'm going to enjoy mine. All right, well, until next time, remember, keep camping and keep cooking.
Yeah.
And give this one a try.
Seriously, I'm about to go take this and I'm gonna go have breakfast.
No, you're not.
Your stack's over there. Man, these are good. I've got to say, we're not lying when we say these are the best.
No, they really are really solid.